What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Man, I am on the steam oven today. I'm gonna make a great steamed piece of orange roughy, guys. Nice, mild whitefish. Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna show you this. Outstanding, all right? I have our perforated pan, guys. This is what we need to steam in all of our steam oven models. I'm using the Wolf today, okay? I have a solid pan underneath. It's preheating behind me, so let's jump right in. I like to actually put a piece of lettuce down, or pineapple leaves, whatever you got. Just something just to buffer it a little bit. Couple lemons right here. And here's our nice piece of fish. So guys, see how the tail's a little thinner right here? This is the one where you want to tuck it underneath and put it right here, just like this, because it'll help cook it very evenly. A nice quick tip for that. You don't want the tail, cooked first because it's thinner. Then I'm gonna actually put a little bit of parsley, guys. You can use basil, any type of fresh herb you have, or dried. I just like to put a little bit of fresh there. I feel like combined with the lemon and some seasonings and the herbs, this makes for an amazing piece of steamed fish. Okay? We're gonna add a little bit of Old Bay to this. Just a nice little bit, just to give it some color, give it some fresh, give it some pop. All right, a little bit of cracked black pepper and a little bit of salt. So Himalayan salt on it. That'll look great like that. Here's the kicker. Take a little bit of olive oil. Just gonna drizzle it right on top. Secret, guys, I'm gonna put a nice tab of butter on here just to make it friendly. You didn't see it if you're trying to eat healthy. The steaming really preserves all the nutrients, keeps it very healthy and easy, but butter makes it better, all right? So we're gonna jump right in the steam oven with this guy. I love that. We're gonna put this right here. We have our solid pan underneath. 10 minutes, gang, that's all we need. All right, perfect, guys. It's been about 8 or 10 minutes right now. Let's open it up, check it out. Oh, that's amazing. Let's pull out our bottom tray because it'll get all of our drippings. Put that on the very bottom. Now we'll take out our perforated tray. Perfect. Let's take it to the cutting board, gang. All right, crew, all finished up, ready to go. I just want to check this. Look how beautiful this fish looks with the lemon. I love it. This is perfect. Nice steamed fish. I can tell it's very tender and flaky. We're gonna try a little piece too. Chef gotta try a little piece though. In the steam oven, very moist, not dry. Lemon gives it that citrus. The Old Bay is wonderful. Guys, this is a great, great recipe for something quick and easy in your steam oven. Hope you enjoy it.